Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video of TikTok, and for today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can see who viewed your TikTok profile. I'll be showing you step-by-step tutorial. Make sure to watch this video till the end. So first thing first, make sure to update your TikTok application and also make sure to check your internet connection. So TikTok has recently updated the feature, and with this feature you'll be able to see who has actually viewed your TikTok profile. So first of all, open up your TikTok application. After you open up your TikTok application, now this is what the interface is going to look like. So what you need to do is you'll have to tap on the profile icon located in the bottom right corner, and after that you'll be directed to your profile page. So in order to see who has viewed your profile on your TikTok, first of all what you have to do is you'll have to enable this feature, that is profile viewer history. So for that, tap on the try bar icon located in the top right, and from the drop down menu tap on settings and privacy, and after that on the settings and privacy you have a list of options. So under account you need to tap on privacy. So once you're in this page you have to scroll down, and then right at the bottom or on the second last option you can see there is profile views. So first of all you'll have to turn it on. After you turn it on, you can see right at the bottom there is a statement as well. After you turn your profile view history, you have to wait for at least 30 days. So in order to see who has viewed your TikTok profile after 30 days, what you need to do is you have to tap on inbox button, which is right at the bottom. After you open up your inbox page, right over here you'll have an option as viewer, and then you'll have a detail of those who have viewed your profile. So that is how you can see who has viewed your TikTok profile. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.